ito, pag-uusapan natin, I think one of the best comedy scenes of all time, si Grandma Ramos.
She wants you on top of her, holding her hair and riding her like a bucking bronco while she sucks your thumb and says, "Mommy like it."
Grabe. Doon ako umiyak.
Yung
As in,
pass the message.
pinost ko yung, like yung recent rewatch ko, pinost ko siya para, puta, hindi ko na kaya to. Kailangan kong huminga, pare.
Sobrang ganda ng bit na yun, na nagpa-pass the message sila ng sobrang laswa na
Ng asawa
messages
niya.
ng asawa niya, tapos di na kaya ng grandma.
Pinapasa ng
What you're
lola.
saying is too personal. He said he wants to have iced tea together. Is that really all, Grandma Ramos?
I don't wanna say.
Si tipo, he wants to turn off all the clocks.
Ganda na line na yun.
Ang ganda nun. Tapos, yung actress na yun, si Grandma Ramos, patay na siya.
Rest in peace.
Pero sobrang ganda ng pag-execute ng ginagawa niya. Parang feeling ko kumuha talaga sila ng grandma, tapos para sinabi na,
Gabi mo lang doon.
sabihin mo na to mga shit na to, huwag mo actingan kung ano naramdaman mo.